Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today on the channel I'm going to be showing you how to fit a set of seat covers. Now these seat covers are from Custom Covers. They're fairly good quality. They are what they are. They're just to cover the seats, to protect them. Nothing really exciting, but they're reasonably priced as well. So in this video I'm going to be showing you what I got in the packet and also how to fit them. Please subscribe and please share, and don't forget to check out the description below, as there may be something down there that may interest you. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. The first part of this video is going through what came in the box, and the second part of the video is actually fitting them, just showing you how easy it is to fit. And at the end of that, I'll let you know exactly what I think. So let's have a look what's in the bag. UK Custom Covers. You say that? Transit. So this is the seat cover. Obviously that's the back and that's the base. Then we got, again, this is the top part, the passenger side. This is obviously a base part. This is another base part, and this is for your head restraints. Oh, and I wonder what this is. Yes, it's not what you're thinking, guys. Seriously, it's an armrest. Oh well, we might as well get on with it. First thing you need to do, guys, is remove your head restraints. This is a very simple job. There's two little clips on each side. Just push in and pull up. The next thing you need to do is get your driver's seat cover and put over the back of the seat the rubber, and then the cover will just go over the top of the seat like a glove. Not forgetting the armrest, which there's a hole provided so you can pop your armrest straight through it, and just tuck it in, and then just pull your base over, and then just pull your cover over the bottom of the base and stretch out. Next, we're going to fit the armrest. Very simple. It's straight over like a glove, and give it a good pull. And now we reinstall the headrest. Cover over that, and it's like a little glove. It's that simple. There we go. It's as simple as that. Now moving on to the passenger side. This is the base. You pull your clip out. Now you put your small part of your seat cover on first, and then you put the bigger part on next, and pull it down like a glove. There is some rubber fasteners underneath, and all you do is pull them across and connect them up. This keeps the seat to work. Do the same with the second one. Pull up and put the smaller part in first, then pull down the bigger piece. This is like fitting a tight pair of gloves. Now with the back piece, unzip, and all you do is pull this down over the back of the seat. There is actually a hole in the middle where your seat belts fit, so that'll fit right in the middle. Then all you need to do is zip it all back up. Now the rubber strap comes into its own. You need to lift the seats back up from the bottom, and then that actually clips underneath in the bottom of the seats. unclip it and tie it down below. Give it a good pull down, put your bases back down, and that will fit the head restraints. Same thing is, push in your head restraints and just put your glove over the top basically. And put your cover straight over the top. It's like fitting a glove. And there we go, it's as simple as that. Now remember, these are covers and they're just keeping your seats clean. They do look better in real life. Well, there you go, guys. Very simple fit. Now, what do I think of the quality? It's very, very, like I call, middle of the range. Not really sure how long they'll last. They are waterproof. They do have like a backing to them. So if you're putting on leather or a material surface, they are going to protect it. They are washable. And the company has been in the business for a very, very long time. This isn't the only covers they do. They've got such a selection of covers for all types of vehicles, from Ford, Vauxhall, you name it, they've got it. From my point of view, I think I got what I paid for. But bear this in mind, my first delivery, when it turned up, I had like little spots on the material. I phoned them up, no problem at all. It was just a straightforward, just keep those. We'll send you some new ones straight out. And they come straight out the following day, spot on. As you can see, it's a very simple fit, so any Tom, Dick and Granny can fit them. They are a little bit sticky in the edges, so you have to be a bit more careful with them than you think, because obviously if you're fitting some, it's like clothing. If you're a little bit overweight and you're trying to squash something in, it's like that. Trying to put some on that don't really fit. They fit very, very tightly. And now they're actually on there, as you can see by the photo, they are actually looking all right. But when I initially put them, and they were straight out the bag and straight onto the van, you can see straight away there's maybe a little bit of a problem with the materials. Now it's had time. We're talking about now they've been fitted for over a week, and they've sort of done their own thing. They've gone back to where they should be. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and please share, and don't forget to check out the description below, as there may be something down there that may interest you. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!